Hey guys, you're watching Mansi and I hope you all are doing great. So this video is little bit special because my birthday is coming in couple of days. So I thought of taking myself out today and I will be exploring the JP Nagar area today. So first I will go for breakfast in a very aesthetic cafe. Then I will go for a lunch and I'm thinking of going to have a proper South Indian meal for lunch and then I will do some birthday shopping. So let me show you my outfit. So I have this very beautiful jeans. I don't know, it has this embroidery here and this is very beautiful. Is it visible or not? So let's go. So let's start the day, and this is going to be my first solo date experience and I am super excited for the day. So सबसे पहले मैं जा रही हूँ द काइंड कैफे बिकॉज दिस इज इन माई बकेट लिस्ट सिंस सो लॉन्ग. So today I'm going to do things that brings me joy and that makes me feel alive, happy, and if that means celebrating in a way that is not traditional, then so it be. My first stop is this gorgeous cafe. The aesthetic vibes are giving me major relaxation mode. I'm here because I want to spend some quality time with myself, appreciating nature, sitting in a cozy corner, enjoying my nice cup of coffee. So, my usual birthday celebrations are very basic, the way I used to like waking up with gentle wishes from my family, followed by the morning temple visit for soaking some blessings and positivity. So, the thing is that I always wanted to feel more special on my birthdays, and I have realized that I am waiting for others to make my birthday special. But no one else is actually responsible to make me feel celebrated or loved on my special days. So, this realization is actually liberating for me. So this year I'm taking matter into my own hands and I'm deciding to make my birthday special, not because I expect others to, but because I want to. So now after having an amazing time and delicious breakfast at the cafe, I'm super excited to explore the nearby area. The vibe here is so chill and I am loving the greenery. So I'm so glad that I decided to explore this area. And look, I stumbled upon this amazing cafe called Rameshwaram Cafe. I have heard great things about their South Indian food and their exterior looks so inviting. Maybe I will come back here next time for breakfast. Also, you will find adorable little parks here. It's perfect for quick break or a picnic. For now, let's continue our stroll. गाइस मैं अभी आई हूँ नागार्जुना. सो मैं वॉक करते करते द काइंड से नागार्जुना आई हूँ फॉर लंच एंड मेरे जस्ट पीछे है दिस फैशन फैक्ट्री एंड इसके जस्ट सामने है नागार्जुन. सो लेट्स गो. Okay, one veg meal.
One veg meal.
What it is called?
Huh? Dal.
In Andhra?
Andhra madam.
Okay. It's called dal only in Andhra also. What is this?
Chutney madam. Kumar chutney.
Okay.
Banana. Sabji.
Okay. Raw banana. And this
This is rice.
Okay. Rice, I know.
Apna ma'am. Rasam.
Okay.
Sweet.
What is this sweet में?
Sweet ma'am.
But क्या है?
Spicy ma'am.
Payasam. Okay.
This is dahi ma'am.
This is
Buttermilk ma'am.
this is buttermilk.
Yes, dahi.
This is with sugar.
Sugar है क्या?
Okay. 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 Thank you. Once you finish the food, you should turn the leaf like this.
सो नाउ द लंच इज़ डन और अब हम जाएँगे शॉपिंग करने। खाना खा के मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आलस आ रहा था और लग रहा था कि बस अभी सो जाऊँ। बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी क्योंकि मुझे बर्थडे के लिए कुछ तो खरीदना था अपने लिए। सो आई एम हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट मॉल इन कोरमंगला। सो लेट्स गो। So the first stop is Birkenstock. I'm trying on these comfy sandals. They are soft and cozy, and I didn't like the green one, but this brown one I actually like a little bit, but not much. And the next stop is Apple Store. I'm checking out the latest iPhone 17. So the camera actually looks amazing to me, and the features are so cool. Maybe I should get an upgrade soon. To be honest, I had an amazing time today, and I would like to say that you should not depend on others for your happiness because with expectations come disappointment. So, do what you love and be happy every day. So, after so much of exploration, I ended up buying my first pair of Crocs, and I'm so happy. You can check out my Instagram to see which pair of Crocs I have bought. So if you want to see my birthday haul, then do let me know in the comments. Yeah, so that is it for today's vlog. If you like this video, then hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Sunday. Until then, bye bye.